Hi, I am Alyssa Musil and I am a third grade teacher at Van Buren Elementary. I am sharing the work we have done over the past 3 years around Indicator 3.3. Indicator 3.3 is that all students have the opportunity to learn the critical content of the curriculum. Our district gave our own HRS survey each year to both the administration and the staff. When you're looking at this, on the left-hand side is the administration and on the right-hand side is the prompts to the staff. We believe that our survey shows our work over the last 3 years on establishing protected time that allows students to learn the critical content in our curriculum. You can see in this table that our scores range from 4.0 to 4.4 for staff responses, all within a standard deviation of under 0.8, which was important to us. We found that this area was an area of strength for our school based on that survey. And down here, we're going to take a look at some of the documents. They have 3 different lagging indicators. The first lagging indicator is our building schedule. This shows evidence of our protected time. As you can kind of see right there, you can click and make it larger as well. But right there, you can see our reading whole group block was a large protected time this year that we really focused on. And it allowed all students to have that access to the curriculum without being pulled for any groups such as ELL, PAC time, or any intervention. We would hope to continue this throughout the upcoming years to make sure all students have that access to what they need and are really getting that instruction from their general classroom teacher. Our second lagging indicator is our ELA and math structure. This is an example from 3rd grade. This shows how we broke down each reading and math block of time to make sure that we had access to each piece and made sure our students were comfortable with the progression through Monday through Friday. We found especially this grade really thrived off of consistency, and the teachers felt very confident as they got into the routine. So we're hoping to continue this work again next year. Our third lagging indicator was our walkthrough data. We had some HRS walkthroughs for reading, math, as well as CSC time or Caring Schools Community. And each walkthrough identified whether all students were receiving instruction, whether all students were participating and active in the lesson. So it allowed us to look at our groups with some fidelity and seeing if what we're saying is actually there. And we were very happy with the outcomes of those. As we noted before, Task 3.3 is an area of strength, and it's something that we've been really passionate about the last 3 years. Some other examples that we did not show in detail would be our work with 95% materials in vocab surge. We found these were areas that our students needed more help, especially vocabulary. And so we supplemented some materials to make sure that they were confident in taking ownership of their learning. We also used a program called Typesia this year, which helps students practice typing in a writing structure to help get them ready for ISASPs and different types of testing, as well as just to practice those keyboarding skills that we know are really critical to the workforce today. We also have PAC screening for all of our students, no matter their background, very diverse with that. We also added to our K-2 Super Kids Phonological Awareness books to daily instruction to make sure all students are receiving this. And coming up next week, we've also got a family night, which checks in on students' progress and allows parents to have an opportunity to talk with teachers about how their students are doing and ask questions or work with some things that might be helpful at home. We are very proud of the work that we have done this year on making sure all students have the opportunity to learn the critical content in our curriculum. We are excited to continue this work in the upcoming school year. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.